Welcome back. If you find yourself working from home for the first time, you may have found that you don't have a space that's functional and comfortable. So let's fix that. Our partners at Real Simple share tips on how to create a makeshift workspace from home using items you already have in your house.
First up, pick the right spot. Choose where you'll be the most productive. Choose an area that's out of the way, far from the TV, and receives good natural light. Next, set up proper lighting. Try using a floor lamp or table lamp to create a well-lit desk. If after the first day working in your new space your eyes feel overly tired, it's a sign to update the lighting. Don't forget to get comfortable. Find a table and a chair that lets you work at a computer or laptop without hunching over. Make sure that you've got back support and a cushion or blanket to help with the comfy factor. Then, get connected. Make sure your workspace is conveniently located near a power outlet or use a multi-plug extension cord so you can plug in everything you'll need. Also, if you're going to be doing video calls, make sure to have a backdrop that isn't too distracting. Now, for the mistakes to avoid. Don't work from your bed or the couch. You could begin to associate your bed with work and then have trouble falling asleep at night. Even in a small room, try to create a workspace that's separate from your relaxation zone to create some mental distance. And don't forget to decorate it. Sure, this may be a temporary solution, but adding a little personality to your work area will make it more pleasant to spend time. Try a houseplant or a piece of artwork.
Another tip, you can try to set up a standing desk. You can use your kitchen counter and prop your laptop up on books to create the right height. This can actually help keep your back in alignment so you're not bending down to see that screen. For more great tips, go to realsimple.com.